Why does the exclusionary rule exist in criminal cases? Imagine a scenario where law enforcement officers gather evidence through illegal means, such as entering a property without a warrant or conducting a search without probable cause. Now consider how courts handle such evidence. The exclusionary rule is a fundamental principle in criminal justice that addresses these situations. Its purpose is to prevent evidence obtained in violation of constitutional rights from being used in court. But why was this rule established, and what purpose does it serve in the broader legal system? The primary reason for the existence of the exclusionary rule is to uphold the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures. When evidence is gathered unlawfully, it undermines the integrity of the judicial process and can lead to wrongful convictions based on improperly obtained information. The rule acts as a safeguard, discouraging law enforcement from bypassing constitutional protections and encouraging adherence to legal procedures. Historically, the rule was solidified through landmark court cases, most notably Mapp v. Ohio in 1961. In this case, the Supreme Court ruled that evidence obtained through illegal searches could not be used in state courts. This decision extended the exclusionary rule beyond federal cases, emphasizing its importance across the entire judicial system. The rationale was that allowing illegally obtained evidence would incentivize law enforcement to ignore constitutional rights, which could erode individual freedoms and lead to abuses of power. Furthermore, the exclusionary rule promotes judicial integrity by reinforcing the idea that courts should not be complicit in violations of constitutional rights. It emphasizes that the government must follow lawful procedures when collecting evidence. This encourages police officers and investigators to respect legal standards, such as obtaining warrants based on probable cause and conducting searches within the bounds of the law. While the rule is essential for protecting constitutional rights, it is not without exceptions. For example, evidence may still be admitted if law enforcement officers acted in good faith, believing they were following proper procedures, or if the evidence would have inevitably been discovered through lawful means. These exceptions balance the need to deter illegal conduct with the practicalities of law enforcement. In summary, the exclusionary rule exists in criminal cases to deter illegal searches and seizures, uphold constitutional protections, and maintain the integrity of the judicial process. It serves as a crucial check on governmental power, ensuring that evidence used in court is obtained lawfully and ethically.